Welcome back to our final episode of the Seller Series. I'm Theo Law, Exp Australia. Today's topic is, should I keep or sell my home now? This is a good old questions that we as a property consultant got asked a lot. First of all, as a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Information in this video is general in nature and does not take into account your personal situation. You should always rely on your own research from independent sources. So if you are upgrading your home, should you sell your existing one? Or could you afford to keep it as an investment property? I always answer these questions by asking another question. Is this property going to serve you in the next stage of your journey? I mean, you have made the decision to buy your next home, but how? Do you need to sell in order to have enough cash for the deposit of your next home, or do you have enough borrowing capacity and serviceability with a second mortgage under your name if you decided to keep the current property as an investment? Let us explore the alternatives together. Firstly, what are the benefits of selling? The main benefit of selling is that you will end up with a concrete amount of money to work with when it comes to buying your next home. This allows you to purchase with confidence because you know exactly what you can afford and how large your debts will be. Here's an example. Let's say your existing home is worth $700,000 and you have a $200,000 mortgage. When you sell, that should leave you a gross amount of $500,000. If the home that you want to buy is $1 million, you will need to borrow the balance, as well as cover the cost of stamp duty and other legal costs, etc. Next, what are the benefits of keeping your home as an investment property? If you held onto your current property as an investment, it could give you the benefits of ongoing rental income if it is positive geared, or tax deductions otherwise, and also potential capital gains over time. Now, you really need to ask yourself the questions and conduct a feasibility study based on your own financial situation. Is this property going to serve you well in long run? Is this going to give you good cash flow and rental return? Is the rent going to cover the holding cost, repayment, etc., or you will have to top up from your own pocket every single month? Do you foresee exponential growth to the property going forward? Look, once you have asked the questions, and if you do decide to sell your home, you will also have to decide whether to do it before or after you buy your next new home. Selling first is the traditional strategy, as it means you have a concrete budget to work with, versus buying first can make sense in a competitive market where you are confident that your property will sell. However, because you might be funding two properties at the same time, you may need to pay for a bridging finance until you have sold. And finally, making the right decision is a question of balancing the market performance with your own financial needs and goals. Take the time to talk with your financial advisor as well as an experienced real estate agent about how the market is moving before you make your final call. Thank you for watching this video. As I conclude this seller series over the last 4 weeks, I would like to give away my book, Get What You Want, The Ultimate Guide to Selling Your Property for Top Dollar, which is retailing at $24.95, free to the supportive audience. Just reply this email or click the button below to get a copy sent off to you. Until next week, bye for now.